Integrating AI in any corporate is a process of change management. So basically, if you will break it down, it's multifaceted process that will entail changing your processes, your mindsets, changing the people thinking or their skills, and also changing the technology. And it is a journey like any digital transformation journey. It's a journey that doesn't have a final destination. It will start small and gradually it grows over time until this new technology becomes part of your DNA. Within Do, what we have done is we have started with a bottom-up approach in terms of AI. We formed a cross-functional squad and task force that was responsible for gathering the different AI use cases and or problem statement that can be solved using AI. Then we build a framework around these use cases to start executing them. Prior to that, we did an assessment in terms of our, what we called it, AI readiness. Are we ready in terms of data? Are we ready in terms of technology? In terms of the skills and resources needed, and definitely in terms of the process that we need to change or we need to amend so that the productionization and industrialization of AI can be scalable. Gradually, we have started implementing these use cases. We put a roadmap that we are looking forward to implement in the next 3-4 years. We went through this journey and we are more than happy to share our lessons learned and what we have achieved so far to expedite this AI integration into other corporates and into other operators. When we started this AI journey, we decided to go bottom-up approach and also focusing on domain-specific AI use cases. And one of them was the network autonomy and how we can leverage more of AI and generative AI in making our network autonomous. So we have done multiple workshops and sessions with our network, either network engineers like planning, implementation, and operation to identify where the high return of value processes and tasks and operation need to be automated using AI that will make our performance and the customer journey more pleasant. One of the use cases, for example, that we have included in network autonomy roadmap is predicting the customer complaints due to network failures or due to network performance. This is a proactive approach in which we want to make our network more self-aware about its status and also to predict a failure, precondition, a prerequisite for us to reach the self-healing. We want to reach a good customer experience and enhance customer experience by this approach. When we built our AI framework, building the AI governance framework is a very important building block, and we recognize it from the beginning. However, the governance is quite big and a broad topic, and it cannot be designed and implemented and reach a good maturity level in 1 year or even 2. It will take time. So what we have done is to break down this governance framework into smaller pieces that we can implement in a way that it will help us to onboard AI use cases as fast as possible, and at the same time secure an acceptable level of trust, privacy, and security that will help us to make a return of investment out of these use cases. For example, the implementing the model ops and ML ops is part of the life cycle of AI, any AI model. So we are prioritizing this new life cycle and new processes as part of the governance before any other kind of elements of the governance. The other parts of the governance framework will follow as we go more and more and onboarding more and more AI use cases in our production.